Hey everyone, it's Maintenance 101 with Eddie Campos. I thought I'd put together a video program to be able to help those who maybe don't have the experience, the time, or the resources, or just any of the background knowledge to be able to take care of homes, specifically our first-time home buyers. You know, it could be quite daunting when you first get that home. You're excited and there's lots of great things to do and you want to decorate, and then all of a sudden the reality comes is like, oh my gosh, there is a lot to take care of here. So if those things are done on a regular basis, it's incredibly helpful, and in the long run, your home will get better care of you. So I thought I'd start with something really quick and easy, and that's our pets, trying to eliminate pet odor. So first things first, make sure that you're grooming your pet on a regular basis. That's brushing every other day at least. And the AKC recommends that most pet owners bathe their pet a couple of times a month. Now, they also said that it's very important you check with your veterinarian because some breeds may need more or less. On top of that, they recommend that you use a spray bottle with a mixture of water and mouthwash with an alcohol base and spray down your pet with that. The alcohol helps kill the germs and adds a little bit of a minty, fresh smell to the pet, and you brush that through, and it also helps the natural oils of the pet's hair give it a nice shiny coat. And then you also need to make sure that you're brushing the teeth of your pet on a regular basis. So they recommend that you do this regularly. However, they also know that it's a little bit daunting, so you may want to talk to your pet groomer or your veterinarian and see if this is a service that they offer. In between them getting their teeth brushed, you may look at getting some dog treats or dog toys that specifically are useful to be able to help eliminate bad breath from your pets. And then most importantly, just clean your home on a regular basis. Sweeping, dusting, mopping, vacuuming, all of these things done on a weekly basis, or if you have a pet that brings in a lot of dander, a lot of shedding, you may need to do that more frequently. But if these things are done frequently, then it helps also to eliminate odors within your home. Specifically when it comes to carpets, you may need to look at getting a regular program set up with getting your carpets cleaned. If you've had a situation where you've got pet urine that has gone into the carpets and now it's soaked into the padding, possibly the subfloor, you'll probably need to look at replacing the carpets if the carpet cleaning doesn't help, replacing the pad. And also when it comes to the subfloor, taking a product like Kills and sealing the subfloor so that those odors don't come back through the new carpet. If it's really, really bad, then you may be in a situation where you need to talk to the people that are taking care of your flooring and have them replace the subfloor. So I hope these tips were helpful. I'm going to do this on a weekly basis because I want to make sure that you have the tools available to you to be able to help take care of your home so your home helps take care of you. Have a great weekend.